So, if I have to talk about three things which youngsters should do, uh, or rather pick up as priority in their lives to be successful, first and the foremost, according to me, would be reassuring yourself. Passion, success, and other things are also important in life, but you have to tell yourself that you're going to win. That's so important in life, because going forward you will have passion, you will have hobbies, you will have things which matter in your life, but you have to first tell yourself that you are meant for something good, something which will be of value to many. And this reassurance is the most important thing, because other things will build, but once this confidence is broken, if at all it's broken, other things will just fall apart. So um, I believe that reassurance is the most important skill which you should command. Out of the three, I would rate this up there. Uh, Second, uh, you have to have passion for something. At the end of the day, if you get some money out of it, then it's a bonus. But there should be something which matters so much in your life that at the end of the day, you feel that, okay, I'm also getting paid for it. So that kind of passion is required. Some say that, okay, passion is may not be that important, consistency and all is important, but ultimately in your lows, how do you motivate yourself to be consistent? You have to venture out of your cold comfort and then take that leap forward, you know, do something good in life. How do you do that? That's possible only when you truly believe in something and you have passion for something. That may not be monetarily rewarded immediately. Maybe that doesn't exist as the industry itself, but someday that might take off. And even if it doesn't take off, see, the nature is free, these things are free. Why do you worry about money? See, follow your passion. If some industry is formed out of it, even if it doesn't, some niche could be formed out of it, and then that will help you sail through. So this would be my advice number two, that passion is very important, very important in life. And third advice to the youngsters, that would be uh, please don't look down on the riches. Money is important. Money is important. It matters. It matters in society. It matters to people. It matters to build the things which us as civilization want to build. And learn about money early in your life. Take your risk. Take 20 risks. Fail in some, succeed in some, but enjoy through the process of making money. You can nurture this skill in youngsters, younger ones, ladies, kids, those who have not had the privilege of dealing with money early. So uh, you can build on all these things and all these experiences, and then learn about money. So don't hate money, uh, love money. See how the money flows and compare it with water. That's how it moves on the globe. What is money? Money is the representation of the goods and services we exchange as people. So if goods and services are in our life, so money exists. Um, in earlier days, we used to have the barter system, and now the money is the true representation. So third advice which I would give would be money. Start making little money early. Invest in some. Take some decisions. This could be in any form. It could be some piggy bank. It could be gold. It could be stock. It could be some investment in a company. It could be your partnership in your small shop which you have nearby. But start early. So first is reassurance. Reassure yourself. Second would be following the passion, and third would be start loving money and the art of it. Okay, all the best, people.